it's me. It was never me but you.
For Pittsburgh, for the Pens. Puck is held in as number 34, you got to pick that up, number 34, that's Kamzik. And the shot gobbled up and held on by Valsic. And the goals with a long pass picked up in stride, and the shot on goal. Medved takes the shot, tipped right in front with a chance with Sean Miller. Miller puts it in, and the goals have it. One more time, Avantins tries to put it right in front. Harvey was on the doorstep. On the bench for the Pens as Visley moves the puck over with a lot of traffic. A spinning shot. Working his way up, Ryland DeMars. And a quick shot, trying to. Miller gets back. Sean Miller for the goals. And the long pass right on the blade of Dean. Dylan Dean with the puck, dancing up at top of the circles, hands it off. Here's a shot with men in front, and the save is made by Johnson. With body staying on side, Gillum calling for it. Papoy takes a shot. He's got 19 seconds in this period, and Harvey, with a sense of urgency and confidence, takes it into the zone. Harvey slings it back over to the left-hand side. Levantis' shot as a nice save made by Valsic. Again, Harvey's got it, another one. Harvey in the shooting gallery right now. And this one dribbling in, LaShawn looking for it. Harvey's there, the buzzer sounds, and it goes for number 62, Brody Papoy. Clark this time puts that one on the mark. And it's chipped in softly, getting there first, Dylan Cooney. Romanoff awaiting it, has it picked off, Sokol's there. Sokol feeds it in front. He was looking for Owen DeGraff. DeGraff sets up on the half boards. Dean's got the puck down low. Dean tries to center it. Dean's got it again as it ricochets. And Dean with that left-handed wrister. Spadero was able to tip it over to his D-mate, Wilson. Wilson stripped to the puck, and here come the goals. With numbers, the shot, and it's scooped up as Johnson waits him out. Puck comes out to Sean Miller, and Miller is upended. What a play. Coming back in. Trying to work off that puck. Avantins. Grasser. Miller's got it. Miller feeds it in, looking for Sokol. Puck squirts free. Puck is taken off. Thomas Maroon. Leaves it there, and a shot off the side of the cage. And the puck bounces. Harvey's going to chase it down. Harvey, he knew he had Avantis sitting in the slot, but he couldn't get it to him, and working the puck back. Visley defensively ties up his man. Oh, giveaway, walking in, shot, goal! Zukov scores in a giveaway. And Zukov makes it 1-0 in the final minute of this first period. A giveaway right in front of the cage. Zukov, Alexei picks it up and buries it. Johnson had no chance on that one. Zukov scores, and the goals have a 1-0 lead. Pens have battled so hard. The puck comes up, trying to get it right in front. Pens have a chance, but they can't get their stick on it. Off the face-off, looking for a quick shot. And that one goes up, and it's gloved out by Valsic. Up by one. Pens need a goal here. And the pass right in front, looking for it. As Ports scores, how did he score that goal? He had no angle. Ports fires one from 0 degrees, and he must have banked it off of Johnson. And the Gulls have a 2-goal lead as Matt Ports scores, making it 2-0 to start things off in this third period. Shuffles it back up as Visley's shot and a second chance. Down is Valsic. Looking for it again. Was number 91, is that tough to see those numbers sometimes? Dean works back into the zone. And Dean right in tight. Knows he's going to get a couple of sticks there. He's ready for it. Chasing it down. Gilliam on the near side boards. Circling. Gilliam with some speed. DeGraff stays with him. Puts a shot on goal. Visley and Harvey. Harvey works it off the wall with those hands. Twisting. Takes the shot. Waved at by Valsic. Puck in front. Visley back behind. The backhander. Unable to get anything on it was Harvey. Moves it back over. Lieb calls for it. He's got it on his blade. Lieb works into the zone with the shot. A pad save. They're not giving up. Down by 2 with 9:53 to go. Papoy lines up a wrister. He's able to hang on to the puck, and Sokol works in with those feet. Takes a quick shot. And a save made by Johnson as Johnson goes down low. Deflect that pass from to the far side. Miller's got it. Miller finding a man on the near side. DeGraff. Edge of the circle. Back to DeMars down low. Up high to Medved. Medved shot and another save by Johnson. Kamzik. Cross-ice feed. Clark runs into a man, as does. And bodies tumbling. Looks like Keystone Cops coming back the other way. DeGraff's got the puck. DeGraff sets up top of the circle. Leaves it for Mack. Mack's shot off the end boards. Back over to the far side, and Lieb's got it. Harvey calls for it. Harvey from the dot takes the shot. A toe save. A jam up. Second opportunity right in the paint. Lieb goes down, and now the fists go high. Mack gets tied up. Down low for the goals. Petalino 1-on-3. As coming away with the puck is Kamzik. Kamzik with a shot, and it's a riser. Came right up. Another shot. What a save. Valsic reaches out. Puts it in deep. Lindbergh chases. Papoy's got it. Papoy holds it there. Takes a shot. A backhander. Loose puck in front. Head to head. Harvey wins this one. Tap back to the point. Moved over to Lieb. Lieb from the right-hand side. The shot, and it was a tip play in front. Harvey thought he had it. Harvey. Clark's got the puck. Clark sends it right in front as Kamzik thought he might have been held up there. Avantis sitting right back behind him. Can he get it to him? Stepping in was DeGraff anyway, and a shot by Harvey in that one. Defended, ringed off the boards. That's going to do it. Final buzzer sounds. Final score, the Gulls win 2-0. A heck of a contest. Pens put 38 shots on Valsic. He makes all 38 saves, and he wins this match for the Long Island Gulls. I'm Manny Furtado for Clanco Media. Thanks for watching.